using. You guys can find that face primer on ivyusa.com. And the second thing I usually do is my eyebrows. I usually use pencil, but I found another hack that I love to use is eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Make Me New eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color dark brown. And I'm going to use a small brush, and I'm just going to blend in with my brows. I know I don't need it, but I just want to have a little oomph in my brows. So I'm just going to apply some here. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen for me. Show your girls some love. It don't cost anything. Just show your girls some love and like this live. So I'm just doing that, blending that in. And my second step to doing my eyebrows is using a concealer. I use Nicka K. This is 07 Acorn. And it's a little bit thicker, so that's why I use this brand. And I'm going to apply it right underneath my brows. So I'm just going to do it like that. So if you're not a brow person and you're not sure how to have an arch, this is the best way in my opinion. This is how I started doing my own eyebrows. So I just apply the concealer underneath. And then next what I would do, I use a sponge and I blend out that concealer with that sponge. I used to do it with the angle brush, but it doesn't blend in consistently, so I use the sponge to blend out that concealer first, and then I go in with my angle brush so I'm going to use my angle brush. I'm going to go right back in. So making sure that I get it underneath those corners. And then I just go on top like that to make sure it's even and it looks very neat. Until you can go like that as well. That's it. So next I'm going to use one of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use the Queen Cleopatra Inspired Makeup eyeshadow palette. I like this palette because it has the color black in it, and most of my eyeshadow palettes don't. So I'm going to use it here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like a smoky eye look. I'm going to blend out the outer corner of my eyes. So you can be really light. You don't have to be really hard. So that's how I just usually blend it out like that. Now the model have like an orange color. So I'm going to use my Malibu Sunrise. So the color of the orange I'm going to use is this color. And I'm going to use this little brush here. It's like a pointy brush. And I'm going to apply it like in the middle, just like the model have hers. And I'm going to mix these two colors here. Okay, and then in the front of her eye, with the inner corner, she have like a fuchsia color. So I'm going to use like this fuchsia color. It's like a purple. And I'm just going to go in. I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette you guys love so much, which is Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the purple. And I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. See? And then I'm going to go back in with this same palette, I'm going to use this orange. It's a shimmer orange. So I wanted that orange to stand out more. So I'm just going back in and I'm filling out the orange. And then I'm going to go back in with that black. Giving it kind of like that smoky eye look. So that's it. And then our next, we're going to use some eyeliner to make the makeup pop out more. So I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Longest Black Eyeliner Felt Pen. So all you're going to do is go in. I usually do mine this way. Or you can start by the inner point of your brow and work your way down. But I usually just do it like that. And just take your time. Just gradually come around. That's it. And don't rush yourself to do it. It takes time. And then the next thing is the lashes. I have I Envy newest lash line. It's called Crystal Glow. And the name of it is called Marquise. And these are how the lashes look. They look very light. They're not really thick. They look very natural. So that's why I like the Crystal Glow lash line. And the rim is not thick. It's very thin. It's very light. And the glue I am wearing in the video is the Super Strong Hold 3D in the color clear. It doesn't irritate your eyes. If you have sensitive eyes like me, like myself, this is one of the best glues to use. They do have it in black. It only costs, it's $3.99. So it's one of a very popular glue, lash glue, and it works for me. So this is the lashes. And I'm going to apply it on top of my lash line. And I'm going to hold it down with my fingers. And I'm just going to go back in the middle because I usually just tack it down on the outer corner and the inner corner. Then I go back in and I press it down with my the middle. Okay, so we have the look so far. Now we're going to use some concealer. We're just going to use one. This is the 2-in-1 Concealer Foundation, Cool Cafe number 05, which you can find at your local beauty supply store. So we're going to apply some here underneath the eye. You don't need that much. We're just going to just put a little bit. And then we're going to use our brush. And we're going to use our e.l.f. Primer Grip Spray. And I'm going to spray a little bit on the brush. And then next thing, we're going to blend it out. As you guys can see, it goes on very smoothly. And you can't even tell that you have it on. You just need one concealer. And then we're going to go above the lashes, the eyebrows, and apply some on our forehead. And as you guys see, it looks very natural. And also, it's important to apply some around your lip area, because it can look like your lips are, I guess, in sync, but a lot of people say perfect. So you won't see the crease in your lips, if that makes sense. And you're going to use your brush again. You can use your primer, which is your setting spray. It's a light mist. And then what you're going to do next is go around that lip area. And you just have to softly pat. And as you guys can see, it easily blends in with your skin tone. So just making sure that on the side of my face that the concealer is blended in. And I think that's about it. I think I need to add a little bit more of a purple. I think I did good on it. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. How did I do? I think I did pretty good. It was very easy to use. So I did the wings, and I did the purple, the orange, and the black, just like the model above. Yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want to see more, just direct message me and just tell me what kind of makeup or makeup looks from Pinterest or any other social media site, and I will recreate it. You guys just go to my YouTube channel as well and vote. We do have a poll, so if you want to see more makeup looks from me, you just vote on which one that you would like to see me transition in. Also, you guys, thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also, thank you for following me on TikTok and Instagram. The goal on YouTube is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. On TikTok, 2,000, and Instagram, 9,000. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Saturday. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.